Looking for a way to enhance your small window with a beautiful voile, but without drilling or gluing? Discover Neorido Plus, the extendable tension cafe rod. Available in 3 finishes and 3 extendable lengths, Neorido Plus fits all your small windows. Aluminum, wood, PVC, with right angle, angled, or molded window frames. The tension mounting makes your Neorido Plus installation easier, all along the entire height of the window. With a choice between 2 decorative finials, rivet, or ball, you can choose the one that suits you the most. Easily install your Neorido Plus without drilling or gluing. First, measure the width of your window and add 1 centimeter. Then, adjust the length of Neorido Plus by simply screwing or unscrewing. To thread your voile, unscrew 1 finial. Then, slide your curtain onto the rod. Finally, screw the finial back on. If the frame of your window is angled, remove the plastic pad. The metal pin will secure the fixing of your Neorido Plus by inserting it between the glass and the window seal. Slightly compress the rod by fitting it into the window frame, release, and it's installed. How to install the Neorido Plus extension kit. For deep frames, use the Neorido Plus extension kit, sold separately. First, insert the 2 metal brackets between the glass and the window seal. Then, place the metal pins into one of the bracket holes, depending on the depth of your window. If your window frame is molded, use the extensions to ensure proper support for your Neorido Plus. Thank you, and see you soon.